Hold on to your hats, everyone. Severe weather is returning Sunday. As we don't have any severe weather today, January 3rd, 2025, it's going to be pretty quiet today, but this weekend we're going to have a couple areas we're going to need to pay attention to. We do have a critical fire risk for Saturday in New Mexico. Sunday, we're going to have a slight risk of severe weather. Severe wind gusts and a few tornadoes are expected to be the primary threats for Sunday. Now, this system moving in Sunday is also going to bring snow, rain, freezing rain, and sleet. So let's buckle up, pay attention to the areas that we're going to need to pay attention to for this weekend. All right, so critical fire risk in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Roswell, South Valley, New Mexico, Las Vegas, New Mexico, and Los Lunas. If you're in these areas, all right, just be cautious if you're outside. If you're planning on being outdoors, cooking outside, working on cars, just be indoors for the day. You know, that's how wildfires start. A lot of dry winds in these areas. All right. And then Sunday, we're going to have a slight risk of severe weather. We're going to have slight risk and a marginal threat. So in Memphis, Tennessee, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Shreveport, Jackson, Mississippi, or Lafayette, Louisiana, you're going to be under a slight risk of severe weather. So which means we'll see, damaging winds, large hail, and a couple tornadoes possible. Houston, New Orleans, Little Rock, Arkansas, Pasadena, Metro Ardent, Louisiana, will be under a marginal threat. Both of these areas will probably see EF0, EF1 type tornadoes. We do see them. All right, just to give you an idea, we had it over Christmas week. I'm not lying. I'll take you through it. All right, while I'm here. So nothing yet this year. No tornadoes yet this year. However, we've had some tornadoes recently. On the 29th, we had 5 in Ohio. We had some down in South Carolina, Georgia. And then check this out, folks. You cannot make this stuff up. One day. This is one day. Oops. Let's refresh this. For the 28th, when we had our severe weather outbreak, 106 tornado reports in one day. This was ridiculous. Areas from Texas, Louisiana. Look at the long list here. Long list. Mississippi. And then we had some bottom Mississippi. Alabama, Georgia. I mean, the list goes on, folks. These are tornado reports. A lot of people were injured. We had a few deaths too. And then going back just a little bit further, we had 10 on the 27th in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. And then we had 13 on the 26th. This is just right after Christmas, folks. People were waking up getting their presents. And their house were destroyed after the system moved in. I mean, it was absolutely crazy, guys. But anyways, I want to share with you guys what's going on Sunday. So that way we have a really good understanding of what's taking shape. So we've got snow moving into the mid-Ohio Valley. Now, some models are indicating, now the European model this morning is being on the lighter side. The GFS is still saying you're going to see quite a bit of snow. But so when are we expecting this snow to move into the southern plains? So it looks like this low will linger over the northern part of Texas, going into the central part of Oklahoma. And so what we're seeing here is snow in the northern half, sleet, freezing rain. So sleet is in the purple. We've got freezing rain in the red. And then we're going to have thunderstorms on the bottom half of this. So we could see tornadoes down here. Crazy, right? But this is what we're living with, especially if you got colder temperatures up here. And guess what, guys? Expect cold temperatures to stay. Any potential snow systems that move in, especially in the Central Plains and Mid-Ohio Valley and the Northern Plains, if you live over here in these areas, any potential system that moves in, it's going to bring snow, especially until the end of January. It looks like we may see temperatures lighten up possibly after the 26th or 27th of this month. So expect cold temperatures for at least 3.5 weeks for right now. I mean, things could shift, weather patterns could shift. Also, I just want to bring this to your attention too. It's looking like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina. This system, we've got another system possibly looking next Friday. All right, it's going to be next Thursday, Friday. It's going to bring rain to the southern parts of the state, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Talking, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, upper parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. We could be seeing some snow moving in here too. It's going to bring a little bit of everything. We're going to have probably severe weather too. So something to look out to as far as, next week. But, again, this is, right now, things about a week out still could change to just, but it's looking more like this is going to take shape. Right now, let's see how much potential snow can move in to, these areas. So let's take a look real quick. Make sure to like, follow, and share this content, for doing an explainer video here. Anyways, so this snow system moving in from the northwest, it'll trickle down to the central Midwest here to the northeast. So this line here, we could see 12 to 20 inches of snow in this dark red here. If you're 6 to 12 in the light purple, 1 to 6 in the light blue. All right. But so Texas, Arkansas, upper Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee. So now it's shifted a little bit north. So South Carolina, you may not get any snow, but things could shift a little bit from now and then. But we may get some snow here, folks. We may see 15 inches of snow over here in Texas by the 12th or 13th, somewhere in that area. But expect some snow in this area. Travel conditions are probably going to be a little hectic. This is just a good way for you to plan if you have anything going on. But anyways, again, the system's going to bring, you're not going to get a lot of snow out here, folks, but you're going to get a little bit. And if you don't see a lot of snow, it could just definitely disrupt some travel disruptions a little bit. So anyways, like, follow, and share this content if this was helpful about what's potentially moving in. Again, this system is going to move in Sunday morning into the southern part of Oklahoma, or central part of Oklahoma. It's going to move out to the East Coast. It's going to be a fast moving system. It's going to be moving into the Central Plains by early morning Sunday, and then it'll be out into the East Coast by Tuesday. So it's going to be a pretty fast moving system. And if you're over here in the Mid-Ohio Valley, expect it to move in probably middle of the day. So anyways, this is Jay from Stormscapes. Like, follow, and share this content, and have a good weekend.